Hikaru, Shida and Brawling Birds vs Triangle of Madness ku mikino yagenze. On the episode of AEW Dynamite, Hikaru, Shida and the Brawling Birds, Jamie Hayter and Windsor defeated Triangle of Madness, Thekla, Style Bro and Julia Hart via disqualification. The match ended when the world champion Thekla attacked Jamie Hayter with the AEW Women's World Championship title, leading to disqualification result. The match was a high-stake encounter building toward the world title match between Thekla and opponents including Hayter and Shida at Double or Nothing. This match was featured as main attraction lead-up to AEW Double or Nothing, showcasing intense friction between the teams. Barakubwira ko mu mikino ya AEW Dynamite, Hikaru, Shida afatanyije na Brawling Birds aribo bagizwe na Jamie Hayter ndetse na Windsor babashije gutsinda Triangle of Madness aribo bagizwe na Thekla, Skye ndetse na Julia Hart ku buryo bwa disqualification. The match took place during the episode of AEW Dynamite. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion or recommendation, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment, kandi like na subscribe. Wakoze, ugire ibihe byiza.